I think you're searching about cat litter mat, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality cat litter mat? Need free shipping cat litter mat? Looking for double layer mat having super smooth surface? Looking for easily cleanable cat litter mat? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best double layer cat litter mat. Number 1. Eva double layer cat litter trapping pets mat, and the feature is material PU. Feature Eva material, super light, easy to carry. Surface super smooth surface, doesn't bother cat paws like other mats. Clean, easy cleaning, under sink head, shower head, or shake off. Size 30 and 245 centimeters, 40 and 250 centimeters, 46 and 260 centimeters, 55 and 270 centimeters. Let's go for number 2. GoldCister double layer cat litter mat, and the feature is material Eva. Feature double layer, waterproof, odor-proof, hygienic, portable and foldable. Layer upper layer is to control the litter, and the lower layer is to store the litter. Clean, hygienic and easy to clean. Size 40 and 250 centimeters, 60 and 246 centimeters, 70 and 255 centimeters. Let's go for number 3. PETCIRCLE double layer cat litter mat, and the feature is material Oxford fabric. Feature exquisite quilted edge, thicken bottom, compact workmanship, durable quality. Waterproof base layer, preventing the water and urine leaking to the floor. Clean, easy to clean, just pour out the litter via the opening pocket. Size 30 and 230 centimeters, 40 and 250 centimeters, 40 and 260 centimeters, 55 and 275 centimeters.